Alright.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Minta perhatian untuk yang baru sampai, kedatangan tanda untuk hari ini dengan minggu depan sekali. Okay. Ya, betul.
Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera, salam Malaysia Madani, salam demokrasi demokrasi. Okey, projek kami. Okay, today we're gonna present you about gay, lesbian and homophobia. Okay, you can see this guy named Cairo Alpha. Okay, and another guy named Abdul Mohan. Okay, next. Okay, first we're gonna talk about the development of notion of homosexuality. Homosexuality gained popularity in 1869 when K.M. Becker defined based on the failure to achieve gender erection. Apa that? Sex, contact, shaping, okay, dia cakap ni homosexuality ni dia popular bila K.M. Becker ni when the make a statement about normal erection in homosexuality. Normal erection ni maksud dia kata benda ni normal. Bukan dia normal saja homosexuality. Homosexuality behavior cut across social class, gender, education, background, costume, marital status and personal interest. Apalagi represent given segment of society. Homosexual behavior ni dia melangkaui gender, education, background and status lah. Some engage in homosexual practice or for various in sexual activities, situational factors like all male environment, experience with male morality, challenge notion of free sexual behavior. Steve. Why do some people regard homosexual as religion? Critique often arise from religion prohibition. Okay, kenapa homosexuality ni satu kesalahan? Okay, first sebab agama. Tak ada agama yang menghalalkan homosexuality ni. Kedua, negative reaction are sometimes in concept about reproduction and replacing different from traditional family structure. Second ni tak ada tradisi cakap homosexuality ni boleh. Macam kalau kita orang Malaysia ni tak ada yang dibenarkan kahwin homoseksual ni. The same dimension of homophobia, attitude and behavior. Attitude ni, homophobia can be abandoned in the structure of policies leading to system discrimination. Homoseksuality ni satu jenayah. Ada setengah negara dia membenarkan homoseksuality dan ada negara yang hukum bunuh pada, ada negara yang hanya membiarkan homoseksual ni. Individual are socialized into culture norm, especially regarding gender role and sexuality. Okay, behavior. Homophobic behavior can lead to overt discrimination where individuals are denied opportunities, service or right based on their identity. Social media platform and online space can be an arena for homophobic behavior, including cyberbullying, causing a spirit of sexual content. Okay, dalam sosial media ni, orang yang homofobia ni memang akan kena maki lah, terutama di Malaysia. Yes. Law and conflict attitude, homosexuality and the law. In ancient times, society did not recognize the concept of homosexuality as current one do. By the 20th century, homosexuals faced order to show confession and witness that they had become worthy of relation after their shameful sin of sodomy. Okay, homosexuality ni satu dosa yang sangat memalukan lah kita lihat. Changing public attitude. The percentage of people who favor legalizing homosexuality relation between consented adults increased only slightly between 1977 and 1989 from 42% for 1972 until at least 1991. Okay, homoseksual ni dia semakin meningkat Kita boleh tengok daripada tahun 1977, 1989 daripada 43% ke 47%. Right. Okay, prevalence and variation of homosexuality. Prevalence of homosexuality ni that there are economic benefit to countering gay purchase. Statement include the approximately 6.1 billion and still okay, homosexuality ni dia punya ekonomi sendiri. Macam tu dia cakap 641 bilion with the gay. Dia cakap dia ada income dia sendiri, community dia sendiri untuk homoseksual ni. Variation of homosexuality. Homosexuality participate in almost every education and reach all education level. There is a high proportion of believing homosexuality in certain categories such as interior decoration, ballet and child dancing, hairdressing and fashion design in other. Homosexuality ni dia ada job kategori dia. Macam menari, hairdressing tu, fashion design. Short-term relationship, homosexual marry for many reasons. In response to social pressure and relation against homosexual life as commitment to home-centered life. Homosexual ni dia kahwin atas sebab social pressure faham in relation against homosexual life and commitment to centered life. Long-term commitment. A study of 190 men found that male homosexuals do establish long-lasting love relationship with other men. One study developed the relationship of 156 male couple, 1/3 of whom had lived together for more than 10 years. Okay, orang yang gay ni relation dia lebih lama daripada perempuan yang lesbian. Sehingga kan 10 lebih daripada 10 tahun. Next. Socialization and becoming a homosexual. Sexual development occurs throughout a complicated process. Understanding of this process continues to unfold physical and activities affect sexual development. Biological perspective, sexual development is significant of the anterior commission and other breast structure is 34% larger in homosexual men than in heterosexual men. Otak lelaki yang berkaitan dengan seksual ni dia lebih besar daripada perempuan lah. Becoming a homosexual developing a homosexual identity. Individual can be at high risk of appearance bullying, harassment and even physical violence, which can have serve a negative consequence in their well-being. Homosexual ni dia akan menghadapi hidup yang sangat susah lah, seperti kena bully, kena pukul, itu lah. The coming out process move through 4 stages: sensitization, identity confession, identity assumption and commitment. Homosexual subculture. Most homosexual men participate in a gay community to some extent. even heavy environment in this subculture does not mean however the homosexual have contact only with other homosexuality. Homosexuality ni dia ada komuniti dia sendiri dan dia jaranglah lepak dengan kawan-kawan yang tak sama dengan dia. Macam tu lah. Next. Okay, seterusnya Apek akan ke lesbian.
Okay, lesbianism. I think you guys already know what is lesbian, right? But just let me remind you. If a woman choose another woman for her sexual partner because her deepest feeling and needs can be only satisfied, characterized by sexual or romantic attraction to another woman or between woman with woman, she is lesbian. Basically dia nak cakap ni kalau perempuan tu lah, dia lebih memilih sesama jantina dia, perempuan juga, sebagai pasangan dia kerana dia nampak perempuan ni ada tarikan seksual. Okay. Okay, homosexual dan AIDS. Bagaimana kita tahu perkataan AIDS ni sinonim dengan homosexual? Okay, di mana ada homosexual di situ ada istilah. Okay, in 1981 the disease were initially known as gay-related immune deficiency, but later it became evident that it affects various populations. HIV, human immunodeficient virus, was isolated in 1982 after the disease was referred to as AIDS. AIDS are caused by the HIV virus, which can live and reproduce inside the cell. The virus is spread through certain body fluids, include blood, semen, and vaginal secretion. Testing for egg involves evaluation blood for the presence of antibody to HIV. Okay. Cakap sini sebenarnya AIDS ni dijumpai pada tahun 1981 lah. Mana mula-mulanya dia tak ada dalam ni lah. Saya tengok ada dah. Sebelum ni kita jumpa daripada golongan AIDS lah. Daripada dia. Daripada badan dia lah dia jumpa HIV ni. Daripada orang gay asal dia. Lepas tu mula merebak ke serata dunia. Okey, kalau kiranya umur AIDS ni lebih kurang 43 tahun hingga hari ni. Lagi lama daripada kita. AIDS ni boleh merebak melalui ni darah, berdalih seperti contohnya body fluid. The impact of AIDS. A negative attitude toward homosexuality emerged with the stigma, views, and blame direct at homosexual for the disease. It brought personal tragedy to victims, leading to a stigma fallout among their friends and families. Public awareness increased, and in 1987, Gallup survey revealed that 68% of Americans consider AIDS the most serious AIDS problem. Sorry, masih ada sikit. Okay, dia nak kata ni kandidat AIDS ni memberi stigma yang buruk lah kepada homoseksual, sebab AIDS ni penyebab mula-mula start AIDS ni adalah daripada golongan LGBT. AIDS impact on sexual behavior. The AIDS epidemic has significantly impacted sexual behavior, leading to change in attitude and practice. The treat AIDS has influenced homosexual, reducing sex while maintaining commitment in monogamous relationship. Okay, dia kata gini, kerana AIDS ni impact kepada sexual behavior. Okay, ini dia impact ni dia mengurangkan seks secara ramai ataupun casual sex dan maintaining commitment monogamous. Dia tidak buat dengan banyak orang dia setia pada satu. Bukan masalah. Politically impact. The AIDS epidemic has a significant impact on both political and public health fronts. Initially, the response to this crisis took 5 years before the major health institution and general public recognized its seriousness. Dr. C. Everett Koch, the U.S. Surgeon General, played a key role in initiating a government-funded research program and emphasizing preventive measures such as condom use and promoting monogamous relationship. Saya habis ni. Okey, dia impact kan pada politik ni, dia membuat satu dunia ni lah. Dia membuat seluruh kerajaan di dunia ni bersatu padu lah untuk menangani AIDS. Sebagai contoh, dia buat cari riset persahabatan. During controversy over homosexual controversies surrounding homosexual have manifested in legal and societal space. With two prominent issues at forefront: the legal recognition of same-sex marriage and the consideration of homosexual as legally protected. The debate on the same-sex marriage revolves around question of equality, human rights, and culture or religious belief, leading to diverse legal approaches globally. Simultaneously, discussion on legal protection for the LGBTQ community involves clash between proponents of anti-discriminatory measures and those expressing concern about religious freedom. This controversy reflects a broader societal attitude shaped by religious culture and political influence, and underscore the ongoing global struggle for LGBTQ rights. Saya akhir sepadan je. Yang tadi tu cuma ni apa, kita buat sebagai tunjuk-tunjuk dah sikit ni plan saya. Ni isu dia yang hangat kita tekan, same-sex marriage. Over past few decades, bahasa Melayu tu kan? Saya tekan juga. Okey, sejak beberapa tahun dulu kita dapat ketahui lah penerimaan terhadap LGBT ni berubah secara drastis. Hal ini menyebabkan kita kata pada hujung abad ke-20 terdapat penentangan yang begitu kuat terhadap LGBT ni. Namun pada abad 21 ni ada setengah-setengah negara telah mengiktiraf golongan ni dengan dia buat perkahwinan sejenis, dia membenarkan. Sebagai contoh negara Jerman lah, negara kita tak boleh. Homosexuality as a protected status. Dia kata orang homoseks ni ada, bukan di negara kita ni, di negara Jerman tu, merupakan kehidupan status yang dilindungi oleh undang-undang. Kita tak boleh buat diskriminasi pada golongan ni lah, maksudnya. Next. Summary. Homosexuality on stigmatized has seen growing acceptance by the biological and social factors shape sexual orientation. With the coming out process marking self-identification, lesbian and gay men share similarly but face distinct social dynamics. Lesbians often have enduring relationship with less stigma. The AIDS epidemic to positive change of fostering commitment in relationship. Government action start in 1986, raising awareness and from putting national response. Okay, dia nak kata ni stigma kita, diskriminasi kita terhadap golongan ni dulunya mendapat ni, tapi sekarang kita arah terbuka. Akan tetapi kedatangan Ek ni mengubah skenario yang berlaku lah dia membuatkan golongan itu lebih berjaga-jaga, dan ke kerajaan juga share spirit awareness tentang Ek dah. Bagaimana buktinya korang pun tahu pasal ni kan. Okay, bagi telefon. Okay, for the question I will ask randomly. I wanna ask. Okay, I ask first. Okay, this one girl has attracted my attention. She did not pay attention my representative and she eating my representative. You know who you are. Marina, come on. Awak buat kat saya kan masa dulu kan. Okay, mudah soalan dia. Okay, question dia, risk of being homosexual. Risiko jadi homoseksual. Apa risiko?
The risk of being homosexual is bullying, harassment, and even physical violence.
Okay. Hebat. Jawab. Okay, hari. Jangan muka. Okay. Hampir kita tanya soalan. Alik. Kita tanya soalan. Awak hanya kat tanya saya nampak. Awak tanya soalan. Sini. Nampak tak? Boleh main sini? Sebab kita tengah present ni. Awak jadi orang Kelantan kan? Oh, tidak.
Okey, soalan saya berbunyi, sebagaimana kita mengetahui bahawa banyak masyarakat di seluruh dunia telah membuka minda terhadap golongan LGBT lah. Masih kat sini kita faham dekat USA banyak orang kata dia dah declare bahawa LGBT ni adalah sah kat negara diorang, betul. Tapi kenapa ada certain negara macam Malaysia, banyak masyarakat yang contohnya di Malaysia ni mendiskriminasi golongan-golongan LGBT ni. Kenapa? Okey, itu saja.
Okey, terima kasih saudara. Soalan yang agak menarik untuk kita kupas. Okey. Dia kata kenapa di Malaysia masih mendiskriminasi ke golongan LGBT ni? Okey, kita ni dulu lah. LGBT ni merupakan satu budaya datang daripada barat. Iaitu kita tahu barat ni dia budaya dia tanpa berasaskan agama ya, melampaui batas ya. Okey, bertentangan pula dengan negara kita yang buat budaya ni, pembentukan budaya di negara kita mengikut prinsip keagamaan lah. So benda ni bercanggah lah. So sebab itulah ni LGBT ni tidak menjadi kebiasaan oleh rakyat Malaysia. Menjawab soalan saudara.
Jawab,
Menjawab. Ya.
Oh, sama belajar tau.
Silakan.
Okay, my question is just like what we already know, Thailand is a open country which they really respect gay. So I ever watched a documentary saying that Thai respect gay or LGBT because it's according to their country religion belief, which is Buddhism. There are freedoms and acceptance. So what your opinion about that?
Boleh bahasa Malaysia ke sikit?
Ni. Maaf ya si pandai kamu. Okay, macam ini. Kan
Okey, bagi pendapat saya lah, perkara tersebut salah sebenarnya. Kalau kita tahu, kalau kita lakukan perkara sebegitu, dia akan mengakibatkan penyakit AIDS, HIV. Jadi kalau tanya pendapat saya, kalau saya di negara, saya tidak akan membuat begitu kepada rakyat saya.
Boleh eh?
Terima kasih.
Okey, soalan daripada saudari Kasim Selamat.
Okey, baik. Pertanyaan saya, kan kita dapat tahu bahawa Malaysia ni dia tentang LGBT kan. So boleh tak bagi tahu dia punya peraturan kat Malaysia ni yang menunjukkan bahawa LGBT tu salah. Maksudnya dia punya kata apa? Itu namanya denda ke.
Okey, terima kasih saudara Kasim. Soalan yang cukup hangat untuk diperbahaskan. So saya akan menjawab soalan ini dengan ilmiah lah. Jadi saya pun kena tahu juga soalan ini berbahaya. Okey. Terima kasih. Okey, dia tanya kerana LGBT ni menunjukkan salah di sisi budaya Malaysia. Tapi yang Malaysia apa? Okey. Malaysia mengenakan 20 tahun penjara dengan rotan dan denda oleh kepada golongan LGBT, serta warga Islam boleh dikenakan di mahkamah syariah. Gitu. Denda, rotan, jaga habis. Ada. Dunia sakit. Okey. Saya nak tanya soalan Sabia. Sabia nak jawab soalan ni. Nak tanya dulu. Okey, soalan yang mudah ya. Macam mana age ni disebabkan? Melalui apa? Gitu ya? Mudah. Cakap je. Macam ni.
daripada hubungan intim.
Tetapi tak tepat lah.
Yang fluid tu kan? Body fluid.
Hubungan intim semua.
Body fluid itu dia dah cakap.
Abang. Benda dia lah. Dia bagi tepek. Ni. Nanti main.
Thank you.
Habis dah. Habis dah. Okey, terima kasih. Apabila tamatnya sesi soal jawab ni, maka tamatlah pembintangan kami. Okey, kita ada bacaan doa daripada saudara Abra.
bisrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Sekian daripada kami. Terima kasih.